Yay! We actually made it to day 10, and I want to take a moment to appreciate every one of you. If you've been watching this series from the beginning, you've liked, commented, or even just taken your time to watch, I truly appreciate you all. This journey hasn't been the easiest. Creating, filming, editing, and still showing up and seeing that people are watching, supporting, and connecting with this means so much to me. This series is more than just bridal looks for me. It's a way of expressing something simple, something beautiful, something that I truly believe in. And the fact that you're here, following along with me, means that I'm not doing this alone. We are only getting started, and you will definitely be seeing more from me. Better, stronger, and more intentional. Thank you for being part of this journey. And if you've stayed this far, like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell to get updated every day. And I see you tomorrow. Bye for now.